I bought this solar lights, the cheap ones. I have a total of 12 of them, and I got it for like $1 each, so 12 bucks plus tax. But yeah, this is more like a deterrent, not really for or pathway lights or whatever, but yeah, it's more of a deterrent. Anyone trying to go here. But anyway, we're gonna put maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 6 right there in front and 6 in the back. We'll see. We'll probably put 4 here, another 4 in the back, so, or maybe 2 on the sides and the other side as well. So we'll have a total of 12 lights. Yeah, we got one right there that I previously installed, and one right there, one on the other post on the back area, and one on the other side too. But this time we're gonna put it further away right there, so it's more like a deterrent. It's like no trespassing. So yeah, anyone thinking of trespassing, it's gonna be a problem for them. But anyway, guys, let's go ahead and install these. So we got 4 right here in front. So we have 8 more. So 2, 4. So I think that's good for now. I'm gonna buy some more later on, and we'll probably put it a little bit closer to the road. We'll see. Maybe one more right there and one more on the other side. So that'll be later. I think that's good for now. But I still need to put 2 here on the side, on the left side, 2 on the right side, and 4 in the back. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, so 12. We got a total of 12 lights. Alright, so I think that's it. I'm going to show you guys how it looks like at night. Right now, of course, you know, it's solar. It's not going to turn on, but I'm going to finish up and installing it here on the sides and the rest in the back. We'll see. Daylight's, I'm running out of daylight, so maybe I'll do it tomorrow. We'll see. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll put it together, guys. Here's a little close-up. It's kind of cool. Alright guys, thank you. Make sure to subscribe, press that notification bell, and leave a comment, guys. And make sure you do that because you don't want to miss any new videos or any new updates. Alright guys, thank you for watching. It's Romy from Solid Gold Shows.